Goggles, and this is my little assistant. So today we're going to be doing 2 experiments. Experiments we're going to be doing today is where, you know the experiment when you put candle, you put water in a plate, and you put the cup over, all the water goes into the cup, and then we're going to lift ice with a string. So, sorry if my voice sounds bad right now, but that's because I have a little bit of a cold and my voice has been getting like, I can talk easy, it's getting harder to talk. Right now it's a little harder to talk, but that's okay. So let's just get started with the experiment. I forgot to say the materials you needed. Happens sometimes, don't worry. So for this experiment, you're gonna need a candle, some kind of plate. I prefer glass or not paper, and a glass cup, a little candle like this, like a little tea candle, and then some matches or some kind of lighter. And you're gonna need water, and this isn't preferred, but this is optional, some food coloring. So what you're gonna do to get started, put the candle on the plate, pour some water on the plate. Then if you want to, you can put some food coloring in. I'm gonna put some red food coloring. Last video, I tried to make some purple slime with blue and green, but I realized that you don't make purple with blue and green. Okay, now I am going to mix the 2 slimes together to get purple. All right, here we go. If we get purple. To be honest, I don't really think we're going to get purple because you make purple with blue and red. So I'm kind of embarrassed by that, but it's okay.
Yeah,
we all make mistakes.
It's fine, cousin. Everyone makes mistakes.
Now that you have your food coloring, and if you use food coloring, now you're gonna want to get your matches.
At this part, you're gonna want to have an adult by here to help you, to supervise you, and tell you what you have to do and do it for you.
And to be safe.
Yes.
All right. So, Grandma. All right. So, Grandma, my grandma's here to supervise. All right, here we go. I'm never good at lighting these. Okay, you want to light your candle. Alright, once you have your candle lighted, now that you have your candle lit, you can put the cup over and see what happens. Okay, so this cup didn't really do it. I don't really know why it didn't. This time we're gonna do it again with a smaller cup and a smaller plate. See if this works out a little better than the bigger cup and the bigger plate. So
please do not drink this if you think it looks like juice. Do not. Trust me, it's gonna taste nasty. I didn't even taste it, and I know it's gonna taste nasty. So please, if you do this video, please don't drink it, or it will taste nasty.
okay.
I'm not drinking.
Smells, tastes like candle. So now this is the part with the matches. So be very careful, always have adult supervision. Let's try this again. Take 2, smaller cut, smaller bowl. Here we go. Okay. I'm gonna light your match. This, we're gonna put the cup over the candle. So, as you can see, it didn't go up that high, but if you go watch some videos on YouTube about this experiment, it'll go up. I don't really know what we're doing wrong, but let's just get on to the next experiment. All right, I'm back. Now we are going to do the ice experiment, but first I need, by the way, if you like my video so far, why don't you go down, hit the like button, go subscribe while you're at it. Why don't you leave a comment too while you're at it? Because I like to reply to comments. Take two. Are you kidding me? How powerful is that? Oh, there we go. That was a good one.
Last water kind of in the household.
Okay, so hello again. I know this video is not that great, but I'm just trying something. So what you're gonna do, this is hopefully gonna launch in the air. So what you're gonna do is you're going to cut the top of a tea bag off, and then I'm just gonna dump the tea stuff in a cup. Okay, once you've done that, you're gonna wanna set it on fire. So remember, always have adult supervision. So now we're going to light our match. There we go. No. Didn't work.
What was supposed to happen?
It was supposed to flow.
Alright, so we're gonna try one more thing. I really don't want this video to be boring, so we'll try one more thing. So we're gonna take a tea bag, and you're just gonna like use the ones with the strings because those ones are longer. I already done that. While I was doing this, I accidentally didn't record. So yeah, so we're gonna be launching these like rockets. So what you're gonna do is open it up and just set it like this. Have adult supervision for this because there is fire, and maybe some water for this. Get your match out and then light it. Okay. No. Stand it up, stand it up. Alright, now I'm gonna light it on fire. Are you? Stop it. Okay, so as you can see, that's how we failed because it wouldn't stay standing up. That's really annoying. It's not standing up. So we're gonna clean this up and hopefully try again. Okay, so we're gonna try this again, but with a worse tea bag, unfortunately. So cut the top right off. All right. Now dump the contents of the tea bag into here. Stand it up. And remember, always have water by your side. Some bad stuff can happen when you don't have water. Alright, this looks a little more trustworthy. Thank you for the matches. These matches feel a lot better, so they won't break, hopefully. Relight them. Oh, okay. Alright, so here we go. Hopefully this one won't tip over. Can you please get the water ready just in case? Okay, here we go. Remember, adult supervision. Okay, so I forgot to mention the room tour part of this, but once you come up these stairs from where I do my science experiments, it's this first room in the middle. First things first, it has new carpet and then this old carpet. They're getting new carpet in this. But let's just go. It's space themed. I think it looks really awesome. Look at this carpet. Look at my bed. Look at these curtains. Carpet again. Look, you see those lampshades? Galaxy. And then the other lampshade. Then those stickers on the wall look awesome. And then this right here is probably one of my. And it has the moon and the stars and stuff. It's really cool, but I'm gonna have to blur out my name, unfortunately. But then we got this moon that can light up. It's really cool. And the bathroom that's all we really have in the bathroom. It's just a Mars Explorers one. It's cool. Right now the bathroom's the best. I got this with my face on it. It's really cool. And I just covered pretty much everything other than this. I know it doesn't look like much. There's my editing headphones. But this chair is really comfy. It's a yoga ball inside of this, so it's like really comfortable. And then if you pull this down, pull this out. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. And my laptop and my mouse. It's really awesome. Best room ever, my opinion. But I hope you all have a wonderful day today, and next following days, or whatever day you watch this. See you all later.